In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the headlights from a Toyota Quantum. Whether you're replacing a bulb or swapping out the entire headlight unit, this guide will walk you through the process. Start by opening the hood and making sure the engine is off. Locate the back of the headlight assembly. This is where you'll find the wiring connectors. Gently unplug them by pressing the release tabs and pulling the connectors out. Next, look for the screws or bolts securing the headlight in place. There are usually 2 or 3 around the frame. Use a socket wrench or screwdriver to remove them. Once the bolts are out, carefully pull the headlight assembly forward. If it feels stuck, double-check for hidden clips or screws. Gently wiggle it side to side until it slides out. Be careful not to damage the surrounding paint or plastic as you remove it. Set the headlight aside safely if you're reusing it. If this video helped you remove your Toyota Quantum headlights, please like and subscribe for more simple car repair guides. Thanks for watching.